Who's that? Yeah. What does that stand for? You know it. Yeah, I did it. There it is. Yeah, I did it again. I know I've got issues. I know I am flat out addicted to Chronicles. But when they put this stuff on sale, my favorite product, probably of all time, when they put it on sale, I'm buying. If you're sick of seeing it, just look away. There's other videos. I'm always opening stuff, so you don't have to watch this Chronicles if you're sick of Chronicles, but I promise you this. If you do, you're going to see some interesting stuff, because Chronicles delivers the goods. It always does, and it has been so good to me. So not only should you watch it being open, you should watch me open it, because I have had tons of luck. I've had a few bunk boxes, and I do mean just a few, but on the whole, I have pulled some crazy good stuff out of here. What I do promise I will do, since I have opened so much of this, when I did my last half case, I made sure to, actually let me get these out, to not spend too long on the base cards or even the numbered cards, because, you know, unless it's like a 101 or numbered out of 5 or something crazy like that, I'm not gonna dwell on the base cards too long. We're gonna speed this up and try to keep these breaks relatively relatively short. Matter of fact, we're just gonna try to get to the hits, and we're gonna start off with Starling Castro, the triple threat neon blue, $2.99. I will go back through the base cards later and pull out the numbered stuff. Jock Peterson autograph. Not bad, I like him. So we're already 2 hits in here. Hoping to get a couple of good prisms. Here's a Derek Fisher /49. That is the, what do you call this? Wave? Prism Wave autograph. So /49, that's not bad. So that's 3 hits already. Zuna Prism. Need that. It feels thick. It is a Dansby Swanson. Sweet! Gold standard dual relic on card rookie autograph of Dansby Swanson. This is why I buy this stuff. That is a great card. I love this kit. I love this card. That is great. Oh, that's all the hits. So there's still a couple of packs. Let's see. Is there anything else worth mentioning in here? Arroyo. Numbered Nolan Run. Sanchez. An Aaron Judge /399. Oh, there's a good card. Aaron Judge, Orange Prism Parallel rookie. So that's worth speaking of. Mayor Garrett. Trevor Story numbered. And last pack. Manny Machado /299. That is the light blue parallel. That's it for this box. I told you I wouldn't keep you long. I told you. I'm a person of my word. Alright. Take care and watch for some more Chronicles to be broken soon. Yes, I said that. Sorry. Okay, whatever. Bye.